लायटीचे बिल भरप आतां सोंपें जातलें. राज्यांतल्या वीज बिल गिरायकांक आतां लायटीच्या बिलाचेरूच QR कोड स्कॅन करून बिल फारीक करपाची सुविधा मेळटली. सद्याक लायटीचें बिल भरपा खातीर ऑनलायन बँकिंग नाजाल्यार वीज खात्यान वचून बिल फारीक करचें पडटा. ताका लागून टायमूय जाता आनी लोकांक त्रासूय जाता. पूण आतां QR कोड स्कॅन करून लोकांक 24 वरां केन्नाय बिल फारीक करपाक मेळटलें.
In India, and in order to further give boost and fill up to this kind of transactions, in order to enable the consumer to make him pay the bills more easily and comfortably, the quick response code was enabled and was installed and programmed in each and every bill. The whole idea is that it's a very dynamic code. And for every consumer, there is no need to go to the Pay Online or electricity portal or any other portal, fill up all the details of CA number, amount, everything. There's no need for such kind of a thing. The moment you scan the QR code, automatically the bill is generated. It's a matter of just few seconds में आपका bill खत्म हो जाता है, payment हो जाता है. And friends, you all be knowing, last couple of months, the entire electricity department, round the clock, it's working. And the billing cycle was reduced as per the JERC regulations to its normal period of 29-30 days. And our billing revenue, when compared to the last quarter, it has increased by about 40%. This kind of QR code or technology enabled initiatives will further give boost to increase our revenue. Here I must compliment, the time is very short, but that should not stop me to say a few things about our staff and our team. The chief, as usual, is a very dynamic person, and along his team, Mayur, Rajiv Samant, and Sailesh Buryeji, and they are the main 4 pillars of the department, supported by the entire team, has worked round the clock. आपको जस्ट वो 10 मिनट का 15 मिनट का प्रोग्राम लगता है, बट इसके पीछे देयर इज लॉट ऑफ मैन आवर्स हैव गॉन इनटू इट, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ मैन डेज हैव गॉन इनटू इट. बहुत मेहनत हुआ था.